guys, this is Raju and today we are at Imagica. So guys, a quick tip for you, if you guys want to come here and not wait in a line for booking your tickets and everything, online booking kar lo. And currently there are some student discounts going on. You just have to show your college ID. So guys, that's a quick tip for you guys, how you can come over here and not waste your time here and you will spend your time there. Guys, so here you can see there is pre-approved e-ticket. Means if you're booking it online, you can come on this table and collect your pans and tickets and that kind of stuff. Guys, once you have got your ticket at the booth over there, this is what you will get, a nice band. This one. Guys, that's Nitro, and yeah, I'm standing outside Nitro with all of my friends back cause to say in simple words, I don't want to sit over there, thodi fatti hai, and I want to enjoy my day cause it's the first ride they are taking right now. Till they are enjoying over there, I'm on back duty cause why not? So for those who are like me, not going on such big rides, there is like a bench over there and a nice bench with a shed over here, so you can wait out while your family and friends are doing that. Okay, how was Nitro?
Awesome, you missed it, yaar. It was a wonderful experience. Especially first or last seat mein बैठने का जो मजा है.
Any of you want to say how was Nitro? Hi, how was Nitro?
It was good. You should definitely try it. It's worth the try.
Beating the heat, guys.
So I am sitting in this ride. I hope I don't regret my decision after it. Wish me luck.
Won't regret it.
What?
Won't regret it.
Sure. Sure. Hi guys, I just sat in Wild West Country's Gold Rush Express, the roller coaster, and fuck if it wasn't amazing. मेरी बहुत फटी, नॉट गोना लाई, बहुत चिल्लाया. इसको पूछो, ये मेरे बाजू में
बहुत ज़्यादा चिल्लाया इसने. प्लीज इसके बाजू में कभी मत बैठना रोलर कोस्टर पे.
But I had fun. So yeah.
On to the next one.
Into the Alibaba Charlie store ride, and I have to say my gun was not working. That's why I lost. And yeah, she I think came second.
1,500 kills.
Yeah, I'm gonna say my gun was not working. My aim was correct. Behind me is the Imagica Palace thingy. So it's a very Instagrammable location if you want photos. Also, when you go down a few steps, you can see the whole of Imagica. Isn't that cool? So we are in the Salim Ghar or something ride. It is basically a haunted house. So let's see how it is. We just went in the ride Salim Ghar, and to be honest, it was a bit boring for my taste. But yeah, it's a nice sit-along ride, and kuch nahi yaar, AC bahut acha hai andar to cool down. How did you like it? What was your favorite part?
Very bad, pathetic. Don't waste your time.
I mean, if you want AC,
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं बिल्कुल AC के लिए भी नहीं.
घर भी लग रही है तो तुम आ सकते हो यहाँ पे. And I can say ending का जो bit था वो थोड़ा सा अच्छा था.
Just a drop.
Yeah, that. Spoiler alert. But yeah, the drop was only the nice thing about it.
Nothing was nice.
And the हवा यार, हवा बहुत अच्छी थी. It was good.
मेरे को बोला मैं फूक मारूंगा.
मार.
मैंने पेटेंट कर दिया.
मार. Guys, how excited are you for deep space?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 100. 1000.
Anyone else? अरे बोलो भाई.
बोलो कोई. Hi YouTube. ये फटी है इसकी. Zoom in.
A few moments later.
It is the sexiest ride in Imagica. पूरा पैसा वसूल. 2000 इसके लिए worth.
It's actually worth it.
Guys, how was it?
They are recovering from the shock.
कौन सा shock?
You go and you will see.
Okay, tell me what the ride is. I'm not gonna go in because I mean we can see that it's 360 degrees thingy. So
It's a
yeah.
dark roller coaster. That's all I can
कुछ दिख रहा था अंदर बताने के लिए.
हाँ 1 मीटर की visibility थी.
Guys, what you see over here is this wishing tree sort of thing where people have left their wishes and requests and memories and that sort of thing. Like people have written their names. Someone has written board में अच्छे marks दे दो request है. Then I love Aqua Magica. There's a lot of cute stuff over here. Even I'll leave some note over here. So guys, a few tips that you can follow is definitely carry some sunglasses, cap, sunscreen, a bottle of water because there are places where you can fill the water. So carrying a bottle is a good option always. Then definitely check the timings because each ride is only set for like a few hours. So like when we had gone around 11:30, 12 o'clock to check out the Rajasaurus, it says it starts at 2:30. So you definitely should see that. And the afternoon time, most of the outdoor, the big ones are shut. Only the indoors are, working that time. So definitely, you should plan out your day like that. Probably keeping the indoors one in the afternoon. Because I mean, it's good also because there's like AC and stuff like that. So the indoor one doing in the afternoon is a good idea, and completing the outdoors one either in the morning or like the evening time, like till 5:30. I think most of the rides are on. I mean, you should definitely check out the timings once you are here. So yeah. Look at this pretty Imagica lake, and then there is the carousel. I wish we could sit over there, but that's for kids only. Heart break ho gaya because I really wanted to sit on that one. There's Harshi, another prani in this theme park. The entrance there are a few shops that you can buy stuff from, like souvenir shops and chocolate shops and that sort of stuff. So that's a thing you should keep on your lookout. So guys, we just went through the ride Mr. India. It was a very fun experience.
Amazing, especially for kids. They will love it.
Yeah, it's this.
It is completely unexpected. Sorry, continue.
Yeah, so basically you were just sitting in the auditorium and then the seat moves and that kind of thing, and it's basically really fun.
Seats, nahi, the car moves.
The car.
Now you all get
हाँ. अब वो तुम देख लेना आके. Hi guys, we just went into the Rajasaurus ride. It's basically a splash down the water, and yeah, we both had like a nice quick change for it. And oh my god, the ride was so much
Epic. It
fun.
was amazing.
Epic.
Guys, if you all come to Imagica, you'll have to try this ride out.
Yeah, just get a good change of clothes like a lycra or something. It's the water ones, it's better to carry lycra. And then you change into it, then change back into your normal clothes if you
Exactly.
want. Yeah, it is amazing. I just loved it.
Later that same evening.
Guys, I have to say, the best spot after your whole tiring day of adventure is this. Guys, just look at this view, man. You get to see the Imagica Palace and the I Love Imagica. You can cool yourself down at this water fountain, and then a beautiful sunset is happening right there. Also, when you look here, there are performances happening over here. Right there.
Hi guys, Deepam here. You all know me?
Hi, Urvi here. Hi, Harshi here. Hi, Rumi. Hi, Katish here. Eating. Hi, I'm Krisha.
Hi! There are more people, but they are missing from here. They have gone to the washroom. Guys, I think it's time for me to say goodbye to this place. Just look at the background. How beautiful does it look? Very, I know. But we have to leave early, so I won't be able to attend the parade. But I think that's on my to-do list for the next time that I come over here. Along with getting enough strength to try out Nitro and Scream Machine and D2. Yeah, all the 3 big rides which I didn't sit on. So guys, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and definitely hit the subscribe button because why not?